Looking for the best gas grills of 2024? Gas grills continue to be a popular choice for many grilling enthusiasts thanks to their convenience and ease of use. Just attach a propane tank, adjust the dials, and you're ready to cook your favorite meals. No need to deal with charcoal, ash, or airflow adjustments. In this video, I have listed 5 of the best gas grills available this year, each offering features that make grilling effortless and enjoyable. Whether you're cooking chicken, steak, or veggies, these grills provide consistent heat and simplicity. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Royal Gourmet GF5401T. This is the best reliable choice for those who need a robust and versatile grill. Boasting a total of 632 square inches of cooking space, it includes 483 square inches of porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates and a 149 square inch chrome-plated steel warming rack. The grill features 4 main burners, each delivering 10,000 BTUs, a sear burner with 14,000 BTUs, and a lidded side burner with 10,000 BTUs, providing a combined 64,000 BTUs of heat output. This grill's construction is built to last with a heavy stainless steel body, a durable control panel, and a double-layer lid. Additionally, the built-in thermometer ensures precise temperature control, while the removable grease tray and cup simplify cleanup. This grill's high performance and durable build make it a dependable choice for serious grill enthusiasts. Number 4. Master Cook Gas Grill. This gas grill offers exceptional value for those looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality. This grill features 3 stainless steel burners that produce 30,000 BTUs of heat, controlled by a piezoelectric ignition system for easy startup. With a cooking area of 471.8 square inches, including 339 square inches of cooking space and 132.8 square inches of warming area, it is well suited for small to medium-sized gatherings. The grill's stainless steel control panel and handle provide durability, while the folding side tables and heavy-duty wheel casters add convenience for storage and portability. This gas grill is an affordable and practical choice for those looking to enjoy outdoor cooking without breaking the bank. Number 3. Monument Grills Gas Grill. For those who need a portable yet powerful grilling solution, this gas grill excels in mobility and efficiency. This model is perfect for camping or small outdoor gatherings, offering 207 square inches of cooking area. With 2 main burners generating a total of 15,000 BTUs, it provides consistent heat for a great grilling experience. The stainless steel grates and burners ensure quick and even cooking, while the built-in thermometer allows for accurate temperature monitoring. Despite its compact size, it delivers a high-performance grilling experience, making it an excellent choice for those on the go who still want a quality grilling option. Number 2. Weber Spirit IA. This is the best compact grill for those who need a high-quality grill in a smaller footprint. Featuring 529 square inches of cooking space over 3 stainless steel burners, it provides an impressive 30,000 BTUs of heat for efficient cooking. The GS4 grilling system ensures superior performance with its improved ignition, burners, and grease management system. The porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates offer durability and even heat distribution. The open cart design includes folding side tables with integrated hooks for convenient tool storage and a built-in fuel gauge for easy monitoring. This compact grill is perfect for those with limited outdoor space who still want a powerful and reliable grilling experience. Number 1. Coleman Cookout Gas Grill. For those seeking the ultimate in portability and power, this gas grill stands out as the best overall choice. This grill is designed with convenience and efficiency in mind, featuring 4 powerful burners that produce up to 36,000 BTUs of heat, ensuring consistent and thorough cooking. A notable addition is the 9,000 BTU side stove burner, perfect for preparing sauces and side dishes alongside your main grilling. The grill's large cooking area spans 480 square inches, complemented by a warming rack that adds another 157 square inches, allowing you to grill up to 24 burgers at once. This gas grill also includes a 2-wheel cart with propane tank storage and ample shelving, making it an excellent choice for those with limited space. The radiant technology and double-walled lid help retain heat efficiently, while the InstaStart matchless push-button lighting system simplifies ignition, making this grill a top pick for ease of use and performance. And there you have it, our roundup of the best gas grills of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting your outdoor cooking journey, these top picks are sure to elevate your barbecue game with unmatched performance and convenience. Ready to fire up your grill and savor the perfect cookout? Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and snag the best deals on these incredible models. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow grill enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Here's to many delicious grilling adventures ahead.